What's up YouTube? It's Coach Oliver, aka Ambition Oliver, with another video. So in this video we're going to talk about if a tire is repairable or not. All right, based off the location of the nail, some places might tell you no, it's not repairable. Some places might say yes. I'm gonna tell you why it is and why it isn't repairable. All right, here we go. All right, so like I was saying, it depends on the location. If mom and pop shop, what they would do is they'll look at it and they'll say, oh yeah, that's repairable, you know, and they'll be able to do it for you. But places like Sam's Club, Costco, just Discount Tire, all right, places like that, those would be places that would decline it because of the position it is. So the reason they would decline it is because based off the location of the tire, if anything happens, like the tire explodes or anything, they're the last ones to touch it, and so they're liable. So with them being liable, they don't want to take responsibility if anything ever happens. So within the wall, then you're actually really good. It just depends on where the nail is and if it's where that last tread block is. Because if it's on the outskirts of the wall, it's automatically non-repairable. If it's in a location where it is here, that is something that could be repaired. It just, big companies would rather not repair that. All right, and so one way to check to see if it's even leaking, you get some soapy water, you're gonna spray it and get a flat up. Yep, it is leaking. You see the bubble? So it has a slow leak. That's one way to notify if it is leaking or not. All right, if it's not leaking, I will pull it out. And the reason that you will pull it out if it's not leaking is because you do not want it to be able to penetrate. Shadow, what are you doing? You're messing up the video. Nope, it's taking screenshots. What are you doing? How you gonna mess up the video like this? I already messed it up. I'm messing it up. Get back in the house. What y'all doing? Dang it, I can't think of that, what is that tire place?